Hi, I'm Demon Killer, and in this video we are going to walk through how we can install Google Chrome web browser in our Arch Linux system or Manjaro operating system. So I'm running Manjaro 20 over here in VirtualBox. So let's hop into our web browser and type in Google Chrome AUR, and we need to copy the git AUR repository. So let's just copy this link here and open a new instance of a terminal. Let me just increase the size here. Let's first of all update our system by typing sudo pacman -sy, capital S and small y. So now that our system is updated, let's head to install git. So sudo pacman capital S git, and y for yes, it's around 36 megabytes. So let's give it some time to download and install. So now that we have git installed, let's clear the screen and clone the URL we just copied from the AUR. So let's paste it and press enter. Now I'm doing this git clone procedure in my home directory, so I'm going to list the contents of my home directory here. You can do it in the downloads folder as well. So however, I'm doing it in the home directory. So now I have this Google Chrome directory over here which I want to cd into. I'm going to type in cd Google Chrome, and I'm going to clear the screen and then list the contents of Google Chrome. So I have this package build file which we are going to use to build our Google Chrome package. Now if you don't have this package build file, this process is not going to work. So then you will have to carefully repeat the previous procedures. Now that we have the package build file, let's go ahead and build a package by using the make package command with a -s attribute. Okay, so we have our Google Chrome package built. So now let's list the contents again of the Google Chrome directory. So we have these two new folders, Google Chrome 81.0 whatever package.tar.xz, and that is what we want. So let's just copy this, and we are going to use this to install Google Chrome. So we're going to type in sudo pacman -U. Let me just close this, and we're going to paste this thing that we copied and press enter and press Y for yes, and now pacman will install Google Chrome for you. Wow, it was fast. So it's almost done. It is almost done. Okay, as you can see here, it's called Google Chrome stable. So that's what we need to use to launch Google Chrome. And now that is done, we can type in Google. Let me just show you here. So we have Google Chrome here installed, and if you want to launch it via the terminal, you can type in Google-Chrome -Chrome-stable, and Google Chrome will launch. So this is how we install Google Chrome in Arch Linux or Manjaro. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe for more such videos.